of circles below represents the expression 2 times 5. Now, this makes sense because another way of viewing 2 times 5 is 2 groups of 5. Here is one group of 5, and here's another group of 5. 2 groups of 5. So if I were to give you a problem like this on a test and say, all right, which expression can the group of circles also represent? Well, 5 plus 2 doesn't make sense because that's not groups of anything. But take a look at B. If I have 10 total circles and divide by 2, another way of viewing that is saying I want to take 10 total objects and split them into 2 groups. And we know that 10 divided by 2 is 5, and so 5 would go into each group. So B could also represent this picture. C doesn't really make sense. And D would be me saying I have 10 groups of 2. That doesn't really work either. So B is the only one that works here.